In this video I'll show you how to do a screencast recording using the website screencast-o-matic. There's two ways you can do a screen recording. You can download the screencast-o-matic application to your computer and run it that way, or you can just go to the screencast-o-matic website and do a recording straight from the website. It tends to work better on Firefox or Internet Explorer rather than Google Chrome. So as I'm using a Mac, I'm going to run it through Firefox. And if you just do a search for screencast-o-matic, and it's usually the first website that comes up. Now once you're in the website, you'll see a big blue button where it says start recording, and basically you just need to click on that button to record. And if you want to install it, there's a link there as well to download and install it onto your computer if you want to run it that way. I'm just going to do a recording through the website. So I'll click on the start recording button, and then you can record your screencast with the newer version, or the older version works just as well. So I'll click on that link, and you just need to make sure that you've got the latest Java plugin installed, and then basically a window will pop up which looks like this. And if you click on this bit here, you can choose what size of screen you want to record. So at the moment it's on full screen, so when I press the record button it will record the whole of my screen, and if I just want to record part of my screen I can choose a different size of area to record. Well, I'll just choose full screen. When I'm ready to record, I basically just press on the start record button. I'll just need to check that I've got my microphone enabled first, so we just click on that drop down arrow there and just select built-in microphone. So it's just using the built-in microphone now to record my voice within the computer. If you've got an external microphone, then you can select that. And once you press record, it will start to count down, and then you're ready to record your screencast. So this is what it will look like once you're in Screencast-o-matic and you are doing a recording. And as you're moving your cursor around the screen, it will have a yellow circle so you can highlight particular things that you want to talk about. So if, for example, I wanted to explain how I made this game within Scratch, I can highlight certain things and I can talk about them as I'm doing so. And then once I've finished explaining, I can then stop the recording. So to stop the recording, I just need to go to the Screencast-o-matic icon within the menu at the bottom, and then if I just right click on it, and then I can just select pause recording. And then a window will pop up just to say that it's been paused, and I can restart it if I'm not happy with it and I want to start it over again. I can just click on the restart button, or I can record another bit if I want to record from where I've just paused it, or if I'm happy and I've finished the full recording, I can just press the done button. And then once you press the done button, you just need to publish it to a video file. So you need to click on that button, and then you just need to click on the button at the bottom where it says save video. You just need to give the video a name. And then once you've done that, you can just click on the save button, and then it'll start to save that as a video file. So in this instance it's going to be saving as a .mp4 file. So there it is on my desktop, and then you can just double click on it, and then there's the movie of the screencast that I've just done, ready for other people to watch it. Now you can also mirror an iPad onto your computer as well, and you could do a screencast of what's on your iPad. So for that you'll need mirroring software such as AirServer, or the one that I use which is called Reflector. And then obviously if your pupils are doing this, you'll need to have that installed onto all the laptops. So you might want to use the free trial version of Reflector to do that. And then if you just double click on Reflector to open it, and then when you've got your iPad, you basically just need to use your finger to scroll up from the bottom of the iPad screen, and then that will bring up a window which looks like this. And then you just need to select the name of the laptop that you want to mirror it to, and just turn the mirroring on, and then you'll be able to see your device on the laptop screen. And then if you just turn it off, and then it just goes back to the laptop screen again. So once the iPad is mirrored onto the laptop, you can then just do a screencast recording in the same way again. So you can just go to Screencast-o-matic, and then you can just press the start recording button just to start another recording. And then this time what you'll need to do is when you press record, you just need to double click on the reflector icon at the bottom, and then that will just bring up the device that you've got mirrored. So now I'm in screencast-o-matic again, and I'm doing a recording, and then just to bring up my device I can just double click on the reflector icon within the menu, and that will bring up my device, and then I can talk about my device. So I can control my device, and I can also use the cursor to highlight things that I'm talking about as I'm doing so. To make it full size, full screen, I can just go to the device tab at the top and just select enter full screen, and then it will just enter it within full screen. And as I say, I can go to whatever app I need to go to, and I can talk about it and record myself talking about things. And then once I've finished saying what I want to say, if I just press this button here in the top right hand corner, that will then exit it from being full screen. And then I just need to do the same again. Click on the screencast-o-matic icon at the bottom, do a right click on it, and then just go to pause recording. And then once you've pressed pause recording, you've got the option to record some more and press the record button again, or you can restart it if you want to redo it again, or you can click on the done button if you've finished. And then again, it's just the same process. Click on publish to video file, click on the save video button, give the video a name, and then just click on the save button. Then again, it'll start to save it as a video to your computer. And then once it's saved, you can just check that it's saved properly to your computer. You can just click on your mirroring application there and just quit that. And then you'll see there is the video that I've just done. And I can just click on it to watch it again. And then obviously once the video is saved to your computer, you've got the option to upload it to Dropbox or Google Drive, and then you can access it from your Dropbox account or Google Drive account and use it within other applications as well.